Hi students, have you seen the thumbnail? Got the question? At least can you identify from which topic it is? That is the beauty of the question. Okay. Most of the students are even not able to identify which chapter it belongs to. Okay. And it is not that it is something out of the syllabus. It is within the syllabus. Why I got this? Because after going through the NTA Abhyas papers, I could understand these type of questions are only in trending. Okay, so that's why I made this question. Okay, so dibenzene chromium. Okay, already I have made a special video about the effective atomic number, method to find effective atomic number. Okay, EAN. In that also I mentioned Cr C6H6 twice. Okay, so what other people study up to here, they will find chromium oxidation number, they can find coordination, they can find. For benzene also, like every metal got two valencies. What is that? Primary valency and secondary valency. In other way, what we can say, oxidation number and coordination number. Okay, oxidation number is number of electron lost oblique gained. Okay, that is oxidation number. And in coordination number is number of lone pair accepted. Okay, number of lone pair accepted is coordination number. Number of electron lost or gained is coordination number. This is coordination number, this is oxidation number. Like here in chromium, oxidation number is 0, but coordination number is how much? Okay, coordination number is 2 into 3. What is this 3? Denticity. So this denticity belongs to benzene. Okay, so number of ligands into its denticity will coordination number. Coordination number is defined for what? Metal. Denticity is defined for what? Ligand. Okay, so then coordination number is how much? 6. Coordination number of chromium is 6. Understood? Like every metal got two things. Likewise in the organic ligands, they also will have two things. Okay, one is a very known fact and another is unknown fact, that is hapticity. Okay, denticity. What is the most known fact is? It is a denticity. Denticity is number of lone pair of electron that can be donated. That can be donated by a ligand. Okay. Now what is hapticity? Question is about the hapticity. Okay. So hapticity is this. I will clearly write it. Okay. Hapticity is number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms involved in donating lone pair or donating electron pair. Okay, donating electron pair. Is it understood? So this will be more clear when I explain through the diagram of the benzene. Is it understood? So then I will ask question whether you understood or not. That also I should come to know or not. Okay. So like this is the benzene. What it is? Benzene. Okay. Now benzene does not have any lone pair, but still it acts as a donor because of the pi bond. Because of which bond? Pi bond. This pi bond, one donor. This pi bond, another donor. This pi bond, another donor. Okay. So denticity, how many electron pair it can donate? 3. That's why denticity is 3. But this denticity is because of how many carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms. Then hapticity, this is called as what? Hapticity is equal to 6. Okay. So you may ask where it is mentioned. It is mentioned in the formula. They will write neta 6. In formula you may find that this is neta 6. This is the hapticity. Neta 5, neta 2. Okay, like this is salt. What they will write? Neta 2. That means hepticity is how much? 2. Now you got understood? So this is about the hepticity. Hepticity is number of carbon atoms of organic compound involved in donating the pi electron pair to the central metal ion. Okay. Now let us say about the C5 H5. Okay, minus. What it is? Cyclopentadienyl anion. Where you will find? You will find in the ferrocene or not? What is the formula of ferrocene? Fe. They will write neta 5 C5H5 twice. Okay, this is what? Ferrocene. Is it understood? What is this 5? Very good. It is hepticity. Okay, why it is hepticity and what is the denticity? I will tell you. Let us draw the structure of cyclopentadienyl. Okay, so this is the cyclopentadienyl. Understood? Now denticity, if I ask what is the denticity of cyclopentadienyl, okay, like this it will be CH. Okay, so denticity is how much? 2 pi bond 1 lone pair. So denticity is how much? 3. Total number of electron pair each can donate is called as a denticity. Okay, so this is what the denticity. Now hepticity, 1 2 3 4 5 5 carbon atoms are there. That's why this neta 5. Is it understood? And it is very much important. If I write this in place of the neta 5, then if I write sigma, then what is the denticity of the cyclopentadienyl? No, that time denticity will not be 3. Denticity will be only 1. Okay? Because only this sigma electron, that is lone pair electron, can only be donated. Okay? Suppose if I write Fe sigma C5H5N are 2. So that time number of lone pair accepted by iron will not be 6. Will be how much? Only 2, because each C5H5 can donate only 1 lone pair. Okay, so that is the difference between denticity and hepticity. Hepticity is number of carbon atoms involved in donating, whereas denticity is number of lone pair or pi bond electron involved in transfer from ligand to the metal. Is it understood? So let us see one more example, troponium. Okay, so should I erase this? You make a note of it. Okay, now let us see one more beautiful example. Okay, what is the tropylium? Tropylium, tropylium ion. Okay, tropylium carbocation, or simply complete I will give you carbocation. Okay, carbocation. If you don't know the formula, don't worry. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Now you tell me denticity and hepticity of tropylium carbocation. Okay, first let me see denticity. What is the denticity? Denticity is number of pi or lone pair of electron it can donate. As it is positive charge is there, this cannot act as a lone pair or cannot donate. Okay, so 3 pi bonds. So denticity is how much? 3. Now what comes about the hepticity? Hepticity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, hepticity is how much? 7. Is it understood? Hepticity, denticity, how to calculate? Any doubt about this? Let us see about the cyclobutadiene. Okay, now tell me what is the denticity and hepticity. Denticity is number of pi bonds are 2, so denticity is 2. Whereas hepticity is how much? 4, because 4 carbon atoms are there. Is it understood? So this is how that denticity and hepticity. Okay. Now some students are sending the doubt, sir, this is not involved in the loan pay donation. Presently it is not involved in the donation. This is in conjugation. Likewise, this pi bond will move here. Likewise, this carbon also, when pi bond moves here, this pi bond also involved in bond formation. That time that pi electron will be donated. Okay. So this also to be counted in the hapticity. Okay. Any other doubts? So now I think everybody understood about the three things you should understand. Okay. When sigma bond is there, especially this question will be there in the cyclopentadienyl. Okay. So you should check if it is neta 5 or pi bond is there. That time denticity is how much? 3. If sigma bond is there, then denticity is only 1. Only this lone pair can be donated. Okay. So I think you understood, all of you. Like this, many questions, basic question, but you will never come across. I think neta 5, neta 2, even cisplatin. Okay. And ferrocene, everywhere you will find somewhere, suppose CH2 double bond CH2. What 5 will write? Neta 2. What is this neta 2 represents? 2 carbon atom. Denticity is how much? 1. Hapticity is how much? 2. Likewise, it is there, but that time books in books you cannot ask what is this neta, why this 2 came. Okay, but they are required. So all this enthusiasm will be explained with the reason at which came. So I think at least this video is worth for it. Share to your friends, new friends who are preparing after completion of the 12th class, still not selected, are still struggling to get into the IITs or get into the medicals. Okay, are already just now they are starting. This information should be passed to every student. Okay, let it be from the north, let it be from the south, let it be from the Tamil Nadu, let it be from any place. That's why I use the English language and collect this beautiful information and present to you, so that it should be beneficial to you all. Okay, bye bye. Which will be with you for your success.